having difficulties putting together a social media plan, what to talk about, what topics to touch, I would suggest you do some research on Google or use ChatGPT and just ask them to tell you exactly, for instance, most common questions that first-time homebuyers ask, what important details about buying pre-construction properties, what to consider when applying for a hard money lender or applying for a mortgage. I want you to be as direct and concise when Googling information or most common questions, stuff like that. You can leverage AI for this type of matters, and you should definitely plan in advance at least 1 week topics. You can either delegate it to a professional who knows how to do the social media channels and the marketing. How you look says a lot about your business. So if you're not savvy about designs and graphic designs, I would definitely suggest you look for help.